In a biscuit factory, a biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love biscuits. We get different types of biscuits in shops. We see the biscuit is in the red packets, in yellow packets. We also know the name of biscuit like Parle-G, 2020, Monaco, 50-50, etc. They are made in factory, but do you know how are biscuit made in factory? Let's find out and learn the steps to make biscuit in a factory.
Create a recipe. Get the ingredients, things that go in a biscuit. Decide how much of each to use. Weigh each ingredient. Make the dough. Mix the things and make a dough. Roll out the dough. Cut out the dough into biscuit shape. Take the dough shape in an oven. Cool the ready biscuit. See if the biscuits are done back properly.